Hi Jay.
Hi, Beenal.
I saw what you did there. It's one of those IDs which you don't want the world to see, but now it's okay now that you've taken it. Tell me.
So, where have you been, Beenal? We have missed quite a few of these.
I know. I think we were supposed to record something last week, but very honestly, there are a lot of things happening right now because we have to plan for the next 3 months. New product launches, new collaborations that we've been doing. We did shoot a podcast last week. Jay, if you could just tag the link on one of the YouTube videos so
Sure
that
thing.
everybody could listen to it. So yeah, too much happens, and yes, this is the reality of a working environment as well, right? Sometimes we don't meet targets. So yeah, this has been delayed. But as we discussed today, you come to me with any questions you like, 3 to 4. I'll quickly answer it and see if we could push out some content.
Okay, so I have quite a few interesting questions, but before I do that, is there something specific that you would want people to know that Macmerize is doing right now?
What Macmerize is trying to do right now is to empower people to start their own line of merchandise. That is something that is going to be our focus going forward, wherein we assist people, we help them with fulfillment in terms of creating their own line of merch. You could be a content creator, you could be an influencer, you could be a YouTuber, you could be a celebrity, athlete, anybody. If you think you have the ideas but do not have the means to start your own line of products, then we are here to help you. So that is one thing which is our focus right now.
So, that is something amazing. That's also very prevalent in the US and UK, right?
Oh yes, I mean celebrity marketing is huge out there, and I think it's about time that even India joins that ride. I mean because there's tremendous scope in terms of what we can do with good merchandise.
That's very interesting. But let's move away a little from what's happening right now, and I have some really fun questions for you. The first one would be, which is a collaboration that you would probably never forget in your life in this journey?
Well, there are many for different reasons, but yeah, as they say, the first one is a little extra special to your heart. And for that reason, I think Disney, yeah, like just the 24, 25-year-olds who got in touch with Disney and actually, got the first license for consumer electronics in India. That would have been very special because we absolutely had no contacts. An email was shot to the Disney US team and we got connected through it. And yeah, so that would always be special. But over a period of time, all of them, every time we try and do a collaboration in a different category is special. Like for fashion, the way we have Paya Singhal with us, collaborating with us in 7 years, that was really special. So every time we try and push boundaries, it has been special.
That is really interesting, and that is also very inspiring for a lot of people who are just starting off with their own business and their own work. Now, this question I think probably all of us have thought about but never actually had the chance to do. If you had a chance to tell 20-year-old Beenal something, what would it be?
I would tell the 20-year-old Beena to stop biting nails because I still continue to do so. So that if I would have listened to myself back then, I would have stopped it. The other thing is to not be fearful of others' judgment. Because I mean, that's the age, right? You feel that, oh, I'm trying to start out something new. What will others think? And I think over a period of time, I've learned to kind of disregard that. But if I could tell my 20-year-old self was to just own up and do your thing and not worry about what others are going to think. Yeah.
So that's pretty interesting. And guys, if you want to ask Beenal your doubts or questions related to merchandising or business, you can surely drop your
or
comments
just
down
fun
there.
questions also, like sometimes fun questions, what's my people, yeah, like.
So yeah, you heard it from her. Just drop it in the comments and she will try and answer them as much as possible. So Beenal, we will be signing off very soon.
Yes.
So do you want to say something while we shut off this video?
I'll try and be more regular with this, and we'll try and have this open conversation more often and not keep this such a long break in between. So yeah, I hope to see you guys really soon with some interesting announcements.
Yeah, I saved the best question for the last. Is there any chance we're going to see Sahil anytime soon on a camera?
Soon. We are on it.
Guys, you heard it. Sahil
Yeah.
may soon.
I'm
be on
not
the
promising
camera.
anything, but soon. Yeah.
So guys, that's all for today's video. We'll see you in the next one. Bye, Beenal.
Bye-bye.